looking for a fun activity to do with your kids or your grandkids, we got this flower making kit that is just hours and hours of fun to do. And I wanted to show you how it works. So this is the actual like kit that they make them with. And what you do is you're going to take, it comes, let me show you first of all what it comes with. A full bag of these little green stems and then the yellow. And then you also get, like, this is the vase. Once you get your flowers made, you can put it in there. Or it comes with this little round thing that has holes. So, like, once you make your flowers, you can just fill it up. And then it's like a flower bouquet. You could sit, you know, around your house, on your desk or whatever. And then here's another one that you could do the same thing. So there's several different ways to do it. But so what you would do is you just take one of these green flowers. And this is the actual machine you're going to make it with. So you would stick it down in the hole. And then it comes with a whole package of these pre-cut little flowers. I mean, as you can see, there's different colors in here, just different shapes and everything. So I just picked out 2 of these, like a orange one with a little netting on the top of it. And then what you do is here where the machine is, you're going to take one of these yellow ones out of the bag and you push it up into the machine. So when it goes down, it's actually going to push it down into the flower. And then you just pull it out. And then I forgot to show you too that in the bag is also the flower stems. So now I've got my flower made. So then I just stick it on here. Let me show you. If I can get it on here right. I guess it helps if I get it on the right way. I had it on upside down. And then once you get it on, then you can see how pretty your flower looks. And like I said, you could just stick it in here and then just fill this whole thing up to make it like a little bouquet out of it. But my granddaughters have just had hours of fun with it. Like I said, it has a little vase, so you can stick them in there and they just look very pretty. It's just very educational when they're doing it. They're always asking me questions about flowers and you know, where they can plant them, where they can put them. So it's just stimulating to their mind. So I don't know, it just comes with a lot of cool stuff. These you can wrap up and then they pretend like they're gonna take them, like, you know, in a bouquet flowers to someone. So just use your imagination. They have a lot of fun with it. So highly recommend if you're looking for a good educational fun thing to do.